Okay, so that's my vegetarian chili recipe, and I hope you enjoy it. I think it's a pretty good recipe. I've made it for a lot of friends and family, and they all seem to like it. And I think there's a lot of variations you can also do on the recipe, so don't feel like you have to stay confined to the recipe I gave you. One time I added pineapple, like sliced pineapple to it, and that was pretty good. You can add more or less peppers depending on how hot or spicy you like it. You can change the beans depending on what kind of bean you like. But more or less, it's 2 cans of beans, a can of tomatoes, half a can of corn, bell pepper, most of a medium onion, and then some however many peppers you want. And this is the result right here. And it's a really it's basically a bean chili. And I think it's really good, and I hope you enjoy it. And right here we've got our Frito pie, which looks awesome. I'm about to eat.